so that yourself you can do when you want to create the advertisement. Now I'm going to click the option create button. Then there is a called ad. The second option, clicking here. Mm. So this is the window will get open for you. Uh, Let me explain because there are too many things are available here. I will show you. My advertise. I am having the multiple accounts. So for you guys, as a fresh, you'll have the only one account. Select this window will be get open. In the left hand side, there is a button called create. I'm going to click this button. Facebook already having the option called a multiple platform. Already they have segregated. Okay, if you want to have a brand awareness, you have to set your goal set. What kind of ad you are going to run that? Okay, a brand awareness reach means it will go maximum people your brand will get reached. Traffic. If you want to get the more traffic for your website, you need to click this. Post engagement. If you want to the same way, what is your goal set? App install. If you are the new product launch, your app needs to be installed all the people. Then you have to click app install. A video views. Your particular video, if you want to get more video views, you have to select the right right goal set. We need to click it out. Why? Because Facebook has a certain algorithm that will reach based on the audience behavior. Okay. Now I am going to do the uh, session called lead generation because everyone need lead. Okay. That's what I'm going to click it, lead generation. Then click continue. Okay. Yes. Now let me explain the only three options. Okay, within 20 minutes we can create the ad. It's pretty simple. The tools are very easy. We can do that. Now see here, there is a called campaign ad set ad. In the left hand side you can see these three options. We are going to fulfill it. That's it. Campaign name, what kind of advertisement we are going to run that. Okay, let me say this. I'm going to I have digital agency. I just want to show the people 19 rupees ad course. So let us make it FB lead ad. Let us make the today's date 04 and July. Of course, Durga is also available. Durga is also one time I just kept an ad for him, kind of luminous battery. Okay, so it could be anything. What is your product? This is underscore and all not required. It is just for my concern. This is only for our own reference purpose. What kind of ad we are running? This name we can make it, and for our reference purpose, we could able to mention as a date. 4th July. Now come down, don't touch anything else. Daily budget, maybe as I told you that if you want 200 rupees, select 200 rupees. If Kumaran, he is from Sri Lanka. So what kind of
Yes.
ad manager, when you set that in currency will get changed. Based on that, you could choose it out. Okay. Then come in the next button, clicking this. here I am giving the ad set name. First we have created campaign name, then we are going to give ad set name. Ad set name in the sense what kind of target audience they have segregated. Okay, and now I just want to target for, as I told you, that Sri Lankan audience. If I want, I can mention that Sri Lankan. In case I am located in Hyderabad, only Hyderabad audience, I can mention that particular audience name for our reference purpose, because only one ad, no problem. If you want to go into create more than 10 or more than 15, then you'll get confused. What is your ad? It is going to be target. Okay. These names and everything only for our own reference purpose. Okay. Let us make it out in Tamil Nadu audience. Okay. Tamil Nadu lead. In the I'm telling this Facebook, you can, by sitting in one place, you can get the leads worldwide wherever you want. Okay, that is the beauty of this. Everyone need one Facebook page. If you do not have the Facebook page, you cannot run the advertisement. Okay, hope everyone having the Facebook page. If you do not have the Facebook page, you should create the page. What is the difference between Facebook page and profile? Hope you might be knowing, but anyhow, I will explain that. Facebook profile, it is only for our friends and family. Those people will be, to interact with them, we are going to use Facebook profile. Facebook page, it's a business profile. It is going to be display for all over the world. Okay, anybody can come to know that your product, what it is. It is more than powerful. What is you are having the website. If you do not have the Facebook page, please create immediately. Okay, it is very powerful. Nowadays, SEO and all, first it looks Facebook page keywords, then only it will go for the website. Facebook page, there is so many options. I will show you. We need to select a particular page. I have so many pages. I am going to create the page called Find Your Niche. That's my one of the page where I have this particular leads, everything I'm tracking out. One more beauty I'm saying this Find Your Niche is my page, but people will not come to know that who is running this page. Okay, Facebook profile, maybe like kind of you guys think that if I open the page, people how they will come to know about who's the admin and all. It will not be reflected on your page who's the admin. Okay. Any product, it is not only for the digital products, any your shop or anything, open Facebook page. It is very, very important. Then click view terms and conditions. Accept. First time when you create first time Facebook page, it will ask once. If you accept, then next time you're not required to give it. Close this page, come down. This catalog, initially, if you are the beginner, don't give right now. If you already have run the advertisement, like kind of, if you are the having the what do you call it, if you are having the cloth showroom or some other products kind of stuff, you can create the catalog in your Facebook page. That catalog can be bring it out here. Such kind of ad can be created. Okay. Budget and schedule. When the ad supposed to be start date, end date. This two date, if you want, you can give it here. Okay, I want only this advertisement. I want to run it only 2 days. If you are going to give the offer for festival, that festival offer until this advertisement can go. After that, automatically this ad will going to complete it. If you click here, this will open the date, time. Now I am going to give open because I am not going to launch it. Like I'll show you that how it works. The beauty of the tool is this. Okay, audience. Most of the people, they have spent money. They have spent money simply by clicking boost. Okay, So many people, they have given the complaint to me. Okay, almost I have taken the class for more than 350 people. They have wasted huge money by clicking the boost, but they don't get any sales. Okay, why? Because they have not targeted the right audience. If you want to get a great sales, right target audience is so powerful. You need to target right audience. How to do that? See here, people, they are given every tools, beautiful tools. Okay, my business, where is the location? My location is, I just want to target Tamil Nadu. I'm clicking here, Tamil Nadu, selecting the country, wherever it is, because I am sitting here. If you want Sri Lanka or Malaysia, Singapore, any product, you could choose it out. Okay, then come down, age. Age is my audience age. I want to target the business owners. Now, for all the people, business owners age must be in between 30 to 45. I will select it here, 30 and 45. Okay. Now you can see in the right hand side, you can see the audience. How many people are coming here? The potential reach, it keeps change. Okay, people, they have segregating. I want target the business owner, gender. If you are going to sell the female oriented product, you could shortlist only female. This ad, it is going to be for, it is only female. Can you able to do in traditional marketing? It is 100% not possible. Okay. Woman almost they are 14 lakhs people. I need both. I don't want to make it on not men or women. I want both people. Then I select 63 lakhs people whole. But still I want more laser targets. What I wanted. Okay. The simple theory I'll tell you. Okay. We need to identify the psychology. Okay. Who needs it? Product. First, we need to identify to whom you are going to sell the product. That is for demographics. Okay, you identify the audience. Okay, you are going to sell for these kind of people. Then, what kind of interest they are? Okay, whether they will purchase my product or not. They are towards to my product interest. They do not. They are having or not having. Then behavior. What is behavior? They are having the interest. I identify the target people. I identify the interest. Behavior means whether they will purchase it or they will not purchase it. That's a behavior. Okay. So we need to categorize these all the segments. When you put it in this particular tool, exactly we can identify the right audience. Okay. You guys go and work it out. The beautiful options here. Demographics. You can able to see. Education. If you go education, see the field of study, school and universities, everything is available. When I click it here, high school, university, in case if you like kind of our Prakash Garu, you just told me that you are going to sell the product for the kids, right? 9 to 15 years kids. You are going to, what kind of people they are at high school level and what kind of level they are. You could target them directly. Okay. So that is your target audience. Like kind of financial, this option not available in India. It is only for the US, income based. Life events, whether they are away from family, away from hometown. Okay. Date of birth. You see monthly, what kind of birth date is coming. If you are selling as a gift article, any other products, birthday, who's going to celebrate this month birthday, that is your audience. Okay, e-commerce product selling. Friends of course, who's going to celebrate the birthday, they are not going to buy the gift. We need to target to whom we need to target. We need to target their friends. Okay, then only they will they will buy the product for him. Okay. So that's what close friends of man with a birthday in 0 to 7 days. Who's going to celebrate for 7 days birthday? This ad, it is going to be reach that particular people only. So everybody have given all the data in Facebook. In each and every time, we are going to give tag, and everywhere you will mention it. I'm going traveling, I'm here, I'm there. I'm recently purchased my house. If you recently purchased your house, what happened? Ultimately, I can target as an interior designer. I could target you. Okay, whoever purchased a new house, who wants to get it new, who wants to alternate all the interior design parts, I could target them because Facebook has captured your data. That's the beauty of this tool. Ultimately, furniture, beauty. Once if you purchase a new house, we need a home decor items. If you are selling as a home decor items, you could target those people. Okay. In a similar way, there is a lot more options are available. Okay. If you are running as a beauty parlor, let us assume that newly engaged, who engaged within 3 months, who engaged within 6 months. So those people absolutely they need it. Okay, if you want, you are running as a jewelry, any kind of stuff, you could target those people. And I am going to parents category. You see, parents category is a very huge. Child 0 to 12 months. Okay, it's a kids product. It is very amazing. Okay, so it sells like hotcake. New parents 0 to 12 months, parents with adult children 18 to 26. For example, Precursor, you are running as a advertisement. You want to target those people, age of those parents, kids. You could target them. Okay, like kind of parent teen 9 to 12 years, teenagers. All the options are available. Relationship, civil, complicated. Facebook, what we do in something immediately, if we, complicated, if our life get worse, then we'll change the status. Facebook will capture the data. Advocates, if they want to run an ad, they could select this kind of audience. Whoever facing the problem in their life, if they target these people, they will get trapped. Okay, so almost all the audience are available: engaged, married, open relationship, separated, single, unspecified, widowed, work, employers, industries. For example, if you want to particular industries, if you want to target, you can do that. Architecture, for architecture and engineering industry, like that, there is a plenty of industries are available. They have segregated options are different. IT and technical services. If you want to work for that particular company, IT and technical services, you can. I'm going a little bit, skip it, and I'm telling these are the options are available. You people, why they are not converting the lead in proper manner? They don't spend time to detailed targeting. That's the reason they don't get a quality leads. Ultimately, what happens? Amount will simply will go for the Facebook. You don't get the prospective leads. Okay, it is kind of example I'll tell you. They have given a wonderful automation tool, wonderful tools. They have given the open land. They have given the tools. How you are going to build a house? It's your focus thing. Can you able to build a 2 BHK or 3 BHK? That is depends upon your capacity, because Facebook will not help you. Already they have given wonderful tool to us. Okay. Now I am telling you, interesting, business and industries, advertisement, agriculture, architecture. If you are running as an educational institution, advertising, say for example, advertising kind of educational institution, you need to target the people who is having the interest to advertising. Okay, so that kind of people, they will come to you. Okay, that is the difference between that. You have to keep in mind that demographics, in the sense who you are going to target. Interest means whether they are what kind of interest towards your product. Behavior, whether they are going to buy your product or what kind of behavior they do. Okay, you go here, there is a lot more options: banking, investment, online, retail, insurance and all. We can make it this kind of stuff. Okay, if you want to get the insurance lead, you can capture it. Design, fashion design, graphic design, interior design. These are the interests. Engineering, entrepreneurship, higher education, marketing, online, digital marketing. Okay, what I do the interest, because my product, whoever it is interesting towards to digital marketing, I need the people. Okay, email marketing, any specific marketing, I could capture them. Social media marketing, because I am going to teach them social media marketing in lead ad generation. Okay, web design, web development, personal finance, property. There are so many options are available here. People, they don't use that. That's the problem. Okay, entertainment, film. People, we can trap the people. What kind of your audience behavior? What kind of Bollywood films? In case towards to such kind of dance studio and all. Okay, if they want to sell the product, you could target this kind of thing. Games, so many things are available. See, there are so many things. Music, reading, television program, family and relationship. What kind of family relationship? Dating, family, fatherhood, friendship, marriage. These are the interests. Okay, parenting. Okay, wedding interest, fitness and wellness, bodybuilding, meditation, physical exercise. Whether your product is going to be suit this or not, I have the cheat sheet. Definitely I will share it with you. This kind of all the documents I have it. Okay, so end of the session I will give you. Behavior, I'm saying this anniversary, I told you that they are going to celebrate the behavior. Interest will come here. Mobile device user, say for example, if you want to target only iPhone user, you can do this. Okay, because you could segregate the people, high product purchasing behavior people. So those all are simply they can spend money online, either 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, any purchasing value, they will purchase it. How they know? Facebook knows that because it is monitoring, always monitoring your website cookies. Okay, based on the cookies, the data will be extracted. Okay, that is what, of course, now I am doing. My system, everything, it is getting tracked. It cannot be skipped it, but I'm saying this for our business, how we are going to intelligently using our business promotion and lead generation. That's what it is. Okay, now let me select the audience. Okay, sir, I do not know how to do this. Even there is a shortcut. Go here, type it. I need business owner, BUSIN, business owner. Job title, employer, business owner is employer. Okay, I'm clicking here. Only one keyword, if I select it, automatically there is a box called suggestion. If I click it here, it will show, because I already feed it to Facebook. I need business owner category, similar kind of keywords, that will bring it out. Then we have to select the right people, business owner and CEO, my own company, founder and director, so managing director. We need to select it right kind of people. Okay, that is the demographics. It's done. Okay, now interest. What is my interest? It is digital marketing. Who's having the digital marketing interest? In the right hand side, you can see digital marketing interest. I am selecting here. Still I wanted online advertising. Okay, who is interesting? Then social media marketing, I need it. Those people, example already I told you that. I select demographics, I selected 100 people. In the 100 people, they don't have this kind of common interest. In the 100 people, at least 40 people, digital marketing, online advertising, social media, 40 people will have the interest. I need those 40 people, not 100 people. Okay. Now, still I am going to make it narrow down. Behavior. I need it. What is my product is online product. They can able to purchase my product, 99 rupees. They have to purchase it. Okay. Then I can make it purchase behavior. Engaged shopper. Engaged shopper. Yeah, that is called purchase behavior. You see here now, in that 40 people, I have segregated 20 people, at least 20 people. If I target 20 people, I'll get, if I get 5 leads, my lead, minimum 2 leads will get converted. That is damn sure. This is a formula. Okay, prospective leads. Now, if you want to save the audience, you can do that. Again, I'm saying this. Then last time I have many clients from Sri Lanka. Okay. One more thing here, I selected Kumaran. You are also Tamil. Why? Because I selected the language here Tamil. That's the reason you have seen my ad. Okay.
Okay.
You understand? Okay.
Yes, yes, I can.
Yeah. Last time when I selected the ad for Singapore, then I selected language here Tamil. In case if I wanted Sri Lanka, Telugu or any other country, US or Canada, we can select the language here. Okay. So we can choose the people based on the language who speaks that particular people. Okay. Hmm. Then finally, okay, save this audience. Once you've done all those stuff, you can save the audience. Multiple ads when you run one more time after certain times. If you want to use the same audience, you could bring it out. Okay, this will come here. Use save the audience. It will come here. Okay, they have given the option. Hope it's guys. It's cool, right? How are you feeling comfortable? What I am teaching? Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Very nice.
good. Then this is called placements. What is called placements? Placements, it is automatic placements, manual placements. Initially, I recommended Facebook have their own algorithm. You will leave it like this, recommended automatic placement. Manual placements is nothing like that. It is kind of where your ad supposed to be performed. Facebook have multiple platforms, Instagram, all those stuff. If you have Instagram account, then keep it Instagram. Automatically your ad will be published in Instagram also. Okay, now I will keep it here as an automatic. Okay, come down, click next button. Yes, we are in the last part. It's very cool, right? Now, ad campaign, we have created the campaign name. Ad set, nothing like that. What kind of audience we are going to target? That's it. That's called ad set. People, they have segregated 3 times. Ad means nothing. It is what kind of product, our image, it has to be speak, right? That is called ad. That is advertisement. Okay. So people will see, okay, what kind of product it is. It is a very pretty much important. You need to spend time here. A lot more people, they don't spend time. Simply they will put it, text and they will send ad. My product, that is called 99 rupees lead ad, right? So lead at 99 rupees. This is only for our reference purpose, nothing else. Then Facebook page, Instagram page. If you have Instagram page, it will come down. You can select it. Then automatically your ad will pop up to Instagram account. Then coming down here, we can put an ad in 2 formats, single image or multiple images. This is a single image or video, and the bottom is carousel. If I select this radio button, we can add so multiple images. Okay, I'll show you that how to do this. In the media, I'll put it right now. Initially, I'll put it clear all. Then going here and put it at image. We can make it anything, either single video or image. Your advertisement, how you are going to do that. If you are do not having, then we can click it upload and bring it down. Automatically will be uploaded here. I have already existing one. Then click this advertisement and click the size is called 1200 into 628. If you are going for the multiple option, the size is called 1080 into 1080 pixel. It's a square. Now it's a rectangle. For single image, this will customize for everything. This is a primary text headline. It is more powerful. Okay, primary text and headline. How your product you need to specify. Okay, people need to know that what is your product. Okay. Maybe already I copy paste my ad copy, simple ad copy. I will copy paste it here. 1 second. Paste it. I just made it a very simple thing. Learn how to create Facebook ad in 60 minutes or less. Okay. Live training that will change your business. You will never ever find the easiest way to create Facebook ad for your business. So I just made it as your product. You need to make it very simplified. People pain point like enough already. People whatever the pains they are having. If you triggering out, ultimately your ad will get performed there because every business people need a benefit, not features. Okay. So when you run the ad, talk about your product benefits. Okay. How it works, what is the benefit they'll be getting. Okay, so in the headline I'll show you. Your primary text will go here in the top. In the headline it will come in the bottom. In the bottom I will make it simple. Headline, paste it. Learn how to create ad in 60 minutes. Okay, so this is the bottom headline. People they will purchase, all the products will be purchased by using the headline only. So please have to spend more time to generate the right keyword and right powerful words to use the headline. Call to action, what they need to do. We need to tell the people what they need to do. Okay, in case they want to sign up, they want to get an offer, they want to get a quote, they want to download your application, what they need to do. So then they will do that. If you are the job, you are putting a job offer, then you need to put it apply now. If you want to get the movie ticket or event ticket, then click book now, download, get offer. What is your exact product? What user need to do? That is called call to action. Put it in the proper call to action. Then come down. This is the final one. We are going to collect the data from the people. We need it. Email ID and phone number, we need it. So once if we receive the email ID, phone number, then we could communicate with them. Okay. I have so many forms. Right now I will create one more form for you. How to create it? Here in the bottom called create lead form. Click it. In this, it is called form name. I could make it out our own, like a lead ad form. My FB ad lead form. Underscore not required, but I just generally I used to coding and all. I used to click write the same way. Not required at all. Okay, they're only for our reference purpose. And 1 second. Settings, open. Keep it open. Why you need to open? Because all if your ad it has been forwarded to somebody else, they also can register as a lead. That's the reason we need to keep it open, because we need a lead. That's it. Okay. If you're restricted, they cannot submit their email ID and phone number. Content. Introduction. Right now I am telling this. If you want to give more introduction, keep it, or else leave it. Your headline and any your product images you can, or else you can disable this option by clicking this option and clicking down. Then coming in the bottom, it's very simple, like drag and drop. It is a form creating all the very simple options. Don't ask more questions, because Facebook, they will not, sometimes they will not allow some questions. Initially, when you create it, we need a phone number or email address. That's pretty much simple enough to sell our product. Okay. If you have the email, we can do the email marketing, lot more stuff. If you get right now leads, I have generated more than 1,500 leads. But absolutely, initially, if they are not converted to business, but I'm sure about it, in future, continuous retargeting marketing, they will convert into business. Okay, the same way. So email is so powerful. Don't ignore that. Here, email and full name. If you want to add a phone number, contact field and phone number, click it here. Uh, we can realign that. Just move up and down. Now I am putting in the bottom full name, the organized full name, email, phone number, what are the way. One more beauty in the sense, people they not required to enter the phone number. Automatically Facebook will extract it. They need to click it, submit, then the form will come to us. Okay. So even when you do that, also same thing would have happened. If we ask our user to enter the data, they don't enter it. Okay. Even of course, I don't do that. If any multiple more job to do anybody, I don't do that in form filling. Okay. Privacy policy, you must have the website. Okay. If you do not have the website, also have the option. Definitely, I'll help you out. In there, we need to have the privacy policy. Okay. Every company should have that. In my website, I have in the bottom link, there must be the privacy policy. The link, yes, I have it. I'll copy it. The link called, it's very simple. Why? Because what kind of page I am running from this, my find my niche. It is only for the people, they will come to know that it is only the data oriented purpose. Apart from that, it is not going to be used. Disclaimer. And in the question, there is one more thing. Yeah, here I missed out. We need to tell the people why we are collecting the data. Okay, to share our product details. That's the reason I'm collecting their data. Okay. Privacy policy. Then I'm coming to thank you screen. Okay. Thank you screen is nothing else. It's after they have submitted that, still we can get them into our WhatsApp. Okay. Even if you do not have the how to get the WhatsApp, there is a link called WA. Somebody might be knowing wa.me/91. Our number 967622 is my number. I'm copying this as a link. In the bottom website link, I'm clicking here. This is called button text. The button text, if you want to get, we can modify it. The button type, what kind of action it's supposed to do. View website. Here I'm putting out, I just want customer to bring it out my WhatsApp. That's the reason I have given website link. If you want to get user to redirect to your website, you can give it any website. Okay, so you do not want to bring it to your WhatsApp, no issue. You can click your website name here, so people will visit it out, and maybe you can check it out. Here I can say the description. Click below button to know more information on WhatsApp. To know more information on WhatsApp. Simple. So after seeing the command, okay, they'll see here in the bottom, the button text also we need to modify that. Why? Because we need to coach the user, because user after reading that their brain will start working. Okay. Here I will tell, click here to know more info on WhatsApp. To know more info on WhatsApp. Simple. Okay. That's it. So whatever it is not like that. It is what I am typing. It is not the way, but you can make it out. Say for example, if you want to give a free gift, you can mention get here to get free ebook on your WhatsApp. So people attract free gifts. You can offer it anything, so that directly they'll come to your WhatsApp. Okay. So once if they come until that stage, they are little bit enthusiastic people. Okay. Once done, that's it, finished. Our form, it is going to be saved and finished. I'm not going to finish it out because there are so many forms. Again, I cannot delete it. Okay. Now, once if it is done, the form will be here. See, I made it so many forms here. Hyderabad leads and copy, everything it is here. The same way. Click here and the bottom. I'll show you in the bottom how it works. You see, my ad, the form looks like that. in the right side. Second page, third page, directly it is going to get that. Now I'm going to click it, publish. That's it. Ad finished. I'll show you after publishing the ad how it is going to be shown. I'll show you. Now the status in the, you see in the top of that in review. Okay. Let me see in Ads Manager how it's going to be show the ad. Now see, it is status, it's in review. Maybe in another 1 or 2 hours, the ad will get approved. Then lead will get started out. Okay. Here I could say in the last, I would like to say, okay, I got a lead. How to download that? You see here, this is one of the yesterday Sri Lankan. Yeah, I just made it in the amount. I would say 35 rupees per lead. It came. The Sri Lankan ad. 35 rupees. I got 20 leads. Okay. Results, that is the one. Reach 5,248. This one. I'm clicking here. How to download the form, I will show you. Sri Lankan ads. If you go to the 2 times when you click it out, in the result, in the bottom you see on Facebook. When I click this button, it shows download new leads. Okay, I'm going to click here. Excel. So maybe your date, I am putting lifetime, so you could able to date wise, you could organize it based on that. Daily, if you want to download the leads based on your date range, you could modify that. The Excel, how it's going to be shown, I'll show you. They have collected all the huge data. This is my reason. I have done more than I have more than 500 clients. Now you see here in the bottom, the last one. Maybe Kumaran, your name is not here. Here is there. I don't know. So these all the number it came. How the lead form. Okay.
Screen share.
Oh, screen share. Sorry. One second. One second. Yes. Yeah. So this is the Excel sheet which I have opened out. Okay. So I got this many leads. Guys, can you able to see me? See the screen? Okay. Yes. So this is the way we need to download that. And again, I just want to tell that how you are going to add the billing amount. Sir, I just want to make it out as a go to the billing. When you are going to get a first advertisement, go to billing. My current balance something. Okay, I need to pay that. Payment setting, you can add your Visa card or credit card, debit card. If you add it, finished. That's it. Okay. Whenever the amount will not deducted immediately after consumption happens, then amount will be deducted. It is very simple. Okay. So based on the ad payment method. This is a simple, I'm telling the simple basic how quickly you can start your business using by the lead ad. Okay. So basically, hope it is going to be useful for you guys. And shall I go? Hello. Shall we do?
I got a question.
Recap? Yeah. That's all. Let me recap. So then finally I will open for all the questions. Is it okay?
Okay.
Yeah. One small recap. Let me close it out. like now my PPT. Okay. So this is the first we did it campaign name. Then I set ad set name and the Facebook page. Then what we did is a budget, start date, end date. Then we have gone for the audience selection. Then we did it for demographics. In that audience selection, we done for the demographics area. If you want, we can have the cost control too, but still right now initially don't do that, because 200 rupees you are putting per day, it will not get much impact. Why? Because at least minimum 200 rupees you need to spend money for your business. Okay. Select a page, Instagram, and ad set name. Single image or multiple image, your choice. When you do go for first time, go for single image, then go for multiple. It is kind of testing. Edit placements, as I told you that which platform your ad has to be run. That's edit placements. Primary text, it will come in the top of the ad, and the headline will come in the bottom of the picture. I said in the call to action, what people exactly what you want them to do. That's call to action. Some picture I shown up here, simple ad, how it works. Okay, as I told you that it's 1200 into 628, it's a standard pixel size. You keep it out. Use a website called canva.com. It is pretty simple. If you do not know how to do that, anyone can do. Anyone, because my daughter is 5th standard, she is doing. Okay, anyone can do the design. Make it very simple, understandable words. Okay, your audience, if your audience are Tamil people, not educated people, make it your own mother tongue language. Go ahead with that. Okay, it is not at all required, because what your audience easy to understand, that is pretty much important. Okay, make it more creative a little bit. Use your more creative ad. As I told you that demographics, this all this PDF also I'll give you. Okay, demographics, how many people are there, and interest, have a set of things, behavior. Once if you go through that, you'll come to know that finally we did it for contact form. Only lead ad form, this is a strategy. Okay, there are the multiple, already I told you that in the goal setting, multiple parameters are available. Based on that, algorithm will get changed. So as far as my experience, lead ad will get a little bit costly and conversion ad will get costly. Okay, so remaining everything will not make much cost. It is very cheap. Okay, some of the clients, I made it the result, you see, 80 paisa. Of course, it's less than 1 rupee. Leads I got it 2 rupees. Some hospitals and all, we got 2.65 rupees, 8 rupees, 63 leads. So some leads I have mentioned already. I told you that how to download the lead after you got it. Of course, this is also recording the session. You could go for that. So also, as I told you that, basically small introduction about me. Basically, I am the person running the company in Hyderabad, almost more than 11 years. It's the 12th year running in my company. We do the structural and architectural designing in US and Canada and as well as European country. So these are my other clients. I am closely working with the people. I am the marketing person. So as I told you earlier, this Corona time, I just want to help the people in digitally how they can expand that business, how they can get leads in Facebook campaign. So I taken this particular module to share my knowledge. Okay, and as I told you that, Facebook page, it is very important, guys. If you do not have the Facebook page, create one. But I have made a tool. I have created a book, ebook. Okay, how to create business Facebook page. So what kind of things mandatory? What is the thing? It is quite pretty much required. So this is an ebook. It is not kind of words like enough. It is going to be a screenshot. I have made it 96 screenshot. I made it out. in the manner of like you see this is the example. Okay, how you have to select it, how you have to make it categorized, how you have to get the photograph, phone number. So those all the 96 slides. If you go that, your business Facebook page is ready. Okay, so what I have put it in the amount for just I'm going to launch it in Amazon also. This MRP 699. I have put it only 199 only. If anybody wants, ping me that. I will send this ebook link also. I will send you this after that. So in generally, what I do apart from this one-to-one consulting for business people. Okay, right now I have so many clients. I told you that personal brand development, that page. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, and ad campaigning and SEO optimization, their websites, other social media, how they have to work it out. YouTube channel, and YouTube channel, what kind of video, how your video bring it out on the top page, because nowadays video is a video era. Everybody needs to have YouTube channel. It is pretty much important. It could be any business. In terms of any business, you need to have it. That YouTube channel, Twitter, Pinterest account, everything I am helping them to launch their brand in all the platform. I do consulting for them. Due to this Corona lockdown, I made the price 9,999 rupees. Okay, 100%. I tell all my clients money back guarantee. As I told you that 19 rupees I used to charge for the people. I told you that 40 people. I have given a money back guarantee. 19 rupees, invest and learn this knowledge. If you want to execute, if you could able to execute it. It's very simple. Okay, some people really who wants it something little bit fast track, some needed guidance mentor. For them, I will tell them to go for this. Okay, real estate people and all, they do not execute the technical stuff, all the stuff. I tell them simply they will purchase a package, they will execute, they will get a great leads, they will convert it. It is very smart for them. Okay. Also, why I'm saying money back guarantee, it is 100% workable platform. Okay. It is Kumaran, you are in Sri Lanka. I'm talking about in Indian value. It's a nine. It is a 10,000 rupees. Okay, you must be aware that. Okay, your value it is higher than us. Okay.
Right? Yeah, I know.
Yes,
I
yes,
can convert it. Yeah.
yes. So that's what we do, that one-to-one consulting. Apart from this service, I am giving the website development, like kind of your product. If you do not have the website, including this package, I will make your website ready. How to do that? Landing page. A lot of people, they don't concentrate about the landing page. Landing page, it's a very powerful. If you do not have the landing page, your brand will not have the great awareness. Okay. So whatever I am telling this, all the facts, it is our digital asset, digital investment. If you are going to traditional marketing, how you are going to design as a shop and all. Okay, these all those things are e-shop. Okay, you have to do all those stuff. It is mandatory. Okay. So along with that, I'm going to give for you some tools. Okay, it is Google Map and Justile. Of course, Justile in India, it's quite popular. WhatsApp marketing tool. It is automated. Right now you want to send 25 to 30 people immediate message to all the people. There is a software, standalone software. We have developed it. That software will send you the message automatically. Okay, you do not require to spend time on that. And G extractor, the tool, how it works, it will extract people data, your competitor data. Everybody needs data nowadays. If you have the data, then only you can do the digital marketing. If you do not have the people data, then you cannot compete your business. Okay. So and then I'm going to give for the video editing software. It is very user friendly. As I told you that if you want to do the YouTube video and all, very user friendly, drag and drop, then convert as a high definition video. It is very simple. Okay. So this is lifetime offer, because this is a video 249 rupees per annum. They do charge for that. We have the software key, everything. So our technical people will install for that. This amount software tool cost itself, it comes 5496. I'm going to give completely free along with this package. Okay. So as I told you that whatever whoever really needs that. No, I am telling that if you are startup, no problem. I always tell the people, startup people, don't do that, because whatever I taught that, this is more than sufficient. They can go and they can simply execute that leads. It will go. The people really who's running the big business, they want to gear up. For them, it is pretty much required. And last week, one client came who is in Malaysia. That guy, they are into cosmetics division, KL. Okay. So those people, they have spent a huge money per month, 4 to 5 lakhs. They used to spend for digital advertising, but result, it was not successful. Okay. Then that person, they have signed up. Yesterday, we generated 100 leads, 80 leads converted that cosmetic product. Okay. So that is the beauty. Then that guy, who's in charge of marketing, who's from Chennai. What I'm trying to say this, the platform, the tool, if you use in a proper way, then the result will be very enormous, very enormous. Okay. If you are in the online, I will show his lead so far, how much he got it. Once again. This guy, Prakash Lakshana, one guy who's from in Malaysia. Of course, we launched an ad called their own mother tongue language, something called Ka 4-in-1-25. You see here, the guy, he got 119 leads. Okay, 119 leads. I'll put it lifetime. I think more than that you would have got, I guess. See, 268 leads, Malaysian number. Apart from this result, some people, they clicked it in the WhatsApp message directly. That is also very huge. Okay, if you want show the ad, I will show you how I launched it for him. So it's a kind of a cosmetic product. Okay, so their own language, it's absolutely Malay. Okay, in that language, this is the WhatsApp number we have given the bottom of the link. People, when they see the link, directly they will click this. When the link, they click it, it will redirect to the WhatsApp. Okay, so then that leads are very huge. So the guy was quite very happy, and yesterday he called me, sir, we spent a lot of amount, invested and wasted so much of money. So really that boosts me a lot, because I just always tell the people, spend money in a right way, right time. Okay, that's what I always tell the people. Okay, so that's how it works. And of course, today I'm not going to pitch any much product, but today you guys came, I want to give the offer. Okay, so these are all the offer. I just want to give it, anybody wants. Okay, exclusive, whatever I suggested, this offer I'm completely going to give for the 5,000 rupees, 4,999. Okay, so this is the offer. I'm going to make the consulting for your brand. Okay, any advertisement, coaching, and as well as all the tools along with that, I will make you to help bring it your business in the next level. 100% I'm giving money back guarantee. Okay, it is not like that. It is money back guarantee results. Okay, so this is what my product, what I launched it. Now, right now, any question and answer, let us move it. Very less people, no problem, I can spend time. Okay, all the questions. Yes. Now it's your session. Yes, tell me.
About this Prakash here.
Yeah, Prakash గారు చెప్పండి.
మీరు ఇప్పుడు లీడ్స్ 30 రూపీస్ అన్నారు కదా, అందులో 20 లీడ్స్
20
లీడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఇంతకుముందు మీరు ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ఒకటి డౌన్లోడ్ చేశారు.
యా
పర్ లీడ్ 30 రూపీస్ అంటే మరి ఎక్కువ అయిపోతుంది కదా, 30 into
600 30 leads it's 600 rupees. My service is different kada. In that 20 leads వచ్చినా కూడా if I able to convert it
100 rupees మీరు per day పెట్టారు.
no your voice is breaking. My thing is not one day, it has come for 2 days. I mentioned per day 300 rupees. Okay, the 300 rupees it came from 2 days or 3 days.
Okay.
Not like that. మీ వాయిస్ కొంచెం దర్గా వచ్చింది. మా ఆన్సర్ రీచ్ అయిందా మీకు? మై ఆన్సర్ ఓకేనా?
మీ రీచ్ అయింది.
సో హౌ డు యు ఫీల్ అబౌట్ ద సెషన్ సార్?
చాలా బాగుంది. గ్రేట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, చాలా బాగుంది.
యా, హోప్ యు హావ్ వెబ్సైట్ కదా ప్రకాష్ సార్? మీకు వెబ్సైట్ యు హావ్ వెబ్సైట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ రైట్?
వెబ్సైట్ ఉంది.
బట్ ఒకసారి మీ వెబ్సైట్ కూడా ఇవ్వండి. ఒకసారి కావాలి, నేను ఆడిట్ ఎస్ఈఓ అనాలిసిస్ చేసి ఇప్పుడు రిపోర్ట్ పంపిస్తాను ఒకసారి. ఓకే, యా దట్స్ ద థింగ్. సో కుమారన్, are you there?
I'm here.
Yeah. So Kumaran, do you have website? Kumaran?
No, I don't have website. Thing is, I have a small problem. You were explaining from the PC, no? From the computer.
Computer.
So I'm unable to like connect from the phone, no? From my mobile phone. The Facebook page.
அதாவது நீங்க Facebook பேஜ் மூலமா பண்ணலாமான்னு கேக்குறீங்களா?
ஆமா ஐயா,
பண்ணலாம். Facebook பேஜ் பண்ணலாம். பட் மொபைல் லேப்டாப் இருந்தா பெட்டரா இருக்கும். உங்க லேப்டாப்
அதுதான் பெட்டர். அதான் நான் யோசிச்சேன். லேப்டாப் இருக்கு.
நீங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணுங்க, லேப்டாப் மூலமா பண்ணா ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு பர்சனலா கைடன்ஸ் வேணும்னா we are here. we have எங்க கம்பெனில 120 மெம்பர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. சரிங்களா? டெக்னிக்கல் இருக்காங்க. சோ உங்களுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி கன்சல்டிங் வேணும்னா கூட நாங்க உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவா பண்ணி தரோம். சரிங்களா?
ஓகே, ஷூர்.
ஏன்னா நாங்க மார்க்கெட்டிங் இப்பதான் ஸ்ரீலங்கா பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சோம். பட் ஹார்ட்லி இப்போ வந்து ஒரு 20 கிளைண்ட்ஸ் கிட்ட வந்து லான்ச் ஆயிருக்காங்க. சரிங்களா? நீங்க என்ன பிசினஸ்? வாட் இஸ் யுவர் பிசினஸ்?
I'm doing insurance. Earlier I worked for a bank. Currently in an insurance.
Insurance la? Okay, super.
Yeah, life insurance.
This is the right time, Kumaran. Why? Because ஏன்னா கொரோனானால எல்லாருமே வந்து சஃபர் ஆகுறாங்க.
ஆமா.
So you could pitch the people right and right educate பண்ணி நீங்க பண்ணீங்கன்னா wonderful leads நீங்க எடுக்கலாம். சரிங்களா?
Okay.
You have to, அதாவது crowdல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் you have to be isolate and you have to be visible. ஓகேங்களா? it is very simple. Okay. உங்களுக்கு இப்போ உங்களால பண்ண முடியல அப்படின்னா கூட we have another, நாங்க இப்போ ஸ்ரீலங்கா பீப்புளுக்கு என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா ஒரு ஆட் காட்டுறோம். அவங்களுக்கு வந்து லீட்ஸ் எங்களால பண்ண முடியல, நீங்களே பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு வர்றாங்க. சரிங்களா?
ஓகே.
அவங்களுக்கு நாங்க என்ன பண்றோம் அப்படின்னா we are generating the leads and we are giving to the people. சரிங்களா? இப்போ வந்து ஒரு 3000 rupeesக்கு வந்து 3000 இந்தியன் ரூபினா உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு வரும்னு தெரியல. உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு வருது? 3000 rupees.
எங்களுக்கு ஒரு 9 இங்க ஸ்ரீலங்கால 9000 மேபி 9000.
Yes, 9000 rupees வருது இல்லையா? 3000 rupeesக்கு வந்து we are giving 50 leads கொடுக்குறோம். செல்வா, நம்ம எவ்வளவு கொடுக்குறோம்? இந்தியன் கனெக்ஷன் இல்ல உங்க ஊர்ல உள்ள லீட்ஸ்.
ஓகே.
இப்போ வந்து உங்களுக்கு, அதாவது ஸ்ரீலங்கா நீங்க நம்ப மாட்டீங்க. ஒரு செல்வா, நீங்க லைன்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
இருக்குங்க. ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
நம்ம கிரீன் ப்ளூ ஆட் போட்டோம்னா ஒரு வாட்டி இந்த ஸ்கிரீன் ஷேர் பண்ணி காட்டுங்க. ஒரு குமரனுக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஐடியா. இது இப்போ நாங்க எப்படி பண்றோம்னா குமரன், அங்க உள்ள உங்களுக்கு வந்து இப்போ நீங்க ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா வரீங்க. நீங்க ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா வரும்போது என்னன்னா உங்க சப்ஜெக்ட், இப்போ திடீர்னு நீங்க போய் இன்சூரன்ஸ் ஏஜென்ட் பண்ண ஒரு கிளைண்ட்டை பிடிச்சோம் அப்படின்னா I do not know that subject knowledge. என்ன ப்ராடக்ட் எப்படி கிளியர் இல்லையா? So we need a subject knowledge. So கொஞ்சம் கத்துக்க முடியாதுன்னு இல்லை. It is not at all rocket science. Okay, we can learn, but still will take time. இல்லைங்களா? So instead of that, expertised people ட்ட நம்ம வந்து போகும்போது we can get a prospect.
Correct. Yeah.
சரிங்களா? இப்போ அந்த மாதிரி தான் ஒரு சிக்கன் கடைக்காரர் வந்தாரு நம்மால. அவர் வந்து டைரக்டா ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் ஆர்டர், அவருக்கு முதல்ல வந்து ஒரு 4 லீடு கொடுத்தோம். 4 லீடுல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லீடு ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் லீடு டைரக்டா கன்வெர்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு அவருக்கு. சரிங்களா? நீங்க இந்தியா வந்திருக்கீங்களா குமரன்?
இந்தியா வந்திருக்கேன். நான் ஒரு கனடா வந்திருக்கேன் 20 times.
வந்திருக்கீங்களா? ஓகே, சூப்பர்.
சென்னை, மதுரை. நீங்க
நீங்க
தெலுங்குவா?
இல்ல தமிழ் 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 தான். பட்
தமிழ்.
நான் செட்டில் டவுன் இன் தெலுங்கு. அதாவது ஒரு 10 வருஷம் எங்க கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிச்சது இங்க ஹைதராபாத்ல.
ஓகே. ஹைதராபாத் தெலுங்கா பேசுவாங்க?
தெலுங்கு பேசுவாங்க.
தெலுங்கு. ஓகே.
நான் வந்து ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இந்தியா மொத்தத்துக்கு நார்த் இந்தியால ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதாவது குஜராத், டெல்லில ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஸோ சவுத் இந்தியா வந்து ரொம்ப கம்ஃபர்ட். பெங்களூர் அங்க கூட ஒர்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
ஓகே.
டோட்டலா எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு 20 இயர்ஸ் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் ஐடி சைடுல.
ஆஹா. That's good. Thanks. உங்களோட இந்த இன்னைக்கு இப்ப நீங்க ஷேர் பண்ணதெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி எதுவும் இதுவீங்களா? எப்படி நாங்க
எப்படிங்க ஜி?
இன்னைக்கு நீங்க உங்களோட செஷன் வந்து இப்ப நீங்க எனக்கு அதை திருப்பி எப்படி மானிட்டர் பண்ணலாம இருக்கு? இப்ப இன்னைக்கு நீங்க ஷேர் பண்ண
உங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணனா, ஐ வில் ஷோ யூ உங்களுக்கு வீடியோ யூடியூப்ல லிங்க் அப்லோட் பண்ணி ஐ வில் சென்ட் யூ தி லிங்க். நீங்க வந்து when you want to see that அந்த யூடியூப்ல டேட்டா அப்லோட் பண்ணி அனுப்புறேன். ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே. இப்ப இன்னைக்கு உங்களோட செஷன் நீங்க எங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தது எல்லாம் திருப்பி ஒரு இது மாதிரி அதுக்கு தானங்க அதை தான் கேட்டேன்.
இல்ல ரீகால் பண்ணா of course you have to do this. ஏன்னா ரீகால் பண்ணா தான் உங்களுக்கு வரும், இல்லனா வராது.
ஓகே. ஓகே ஃபைன். அப்ப நீங்க எங்களுக்கு ஒருக்கா
you can நீங்க வந்து அந்த ஒருவாட்டி பாருங்க, திருப்பி பாருங்க. திருப்பி பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா you will come to know that. ஓகேங்களா?
ஸ்ரீலங்காவுக்கு நாங்க இப்ப ரீசெண்டா வந்துட்டு ஸ்ரீலங்கன் இன்சூரன்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, ஸ்ரீலங்கன் இன்சூரன்ஸ் அந்த ஆடு கூட போட்டிருக்கோம். ஒரே நிமிஷம், கொஞ்சம் சிஸ்டம் நெட் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா இருக்கு. ஜான் சொல்லி ஒருத்தர் வந்து சேம் இன்சூரன்ஸ் தான் பண்றாரு. என்னோட விண்டோ தெரியுதுங்களா?
தெரியுது. ஆமா
ஆமா. ஓகே, ஒரே நிமிஷம். ஸ்ரீலங்கன் இன்சூரன்ஸ் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, ஸ்ரீலங்கன் இன்சூரன்ஸ்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒன்று இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா?
இருக்குது.
ஆமா, அது வந்துட்டு அதுல வந்து பிரைம் மெம்பர் ஒருத்தருக்கு பிரைம் மெம்பர் கிளப்ல இருந்து ஒருத்தர் வந்து எங்களுக்கு கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணியிருந்தாரு.
ஓகே.
இந்த இந்த சிம்பிள் பாத்தீங்கன்னா தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு, தெரியுதுங்களா?
உங்களோட அந்த போட்டோ
இல்ல, இதுதான் ஆட். ஆக்சுவலா அந்த எஸ்எல்சிங்கிறது பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்ரீலங்கன் இன்சூரன்ஸ்.
ஆமா தெரியுது. ஆமா
ஆமா ஆமா. ஆக்சுவலா இந்த இது பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஸ்ரீலங்காவில இருந்து ஒருத்தர் வந்து நமக்கு இது பண்ணிருக்காரு. அவங்க ஆட் தான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப.
அப்ப நீங்க அவங்களுக்கு என்ன நீங்க கைட் பண்ணுவீங்களா?
கைட் பண்ணுவாங்க. எப்படி இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது வந்து காலையில தான் நாங்க வந்து ஆட் ரன் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சோம். பாத்தீங்கன்னா 4 லீடு வந்து அவருக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு. 4 லீட் இன் த சென்ஸ் அவருக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபோன் நம்பர்ஸோட கிடைச்சிருக்கும். அவர் வந்து கான்டாக்ட் பண்ணி பேசிக்குவாருங்க.
ஓகே.
பாத்தீங்கன்னா 200 rupees வரைக்கும் செலவாயிருக்கு இப்போ வரைக்கும். 4 லீட் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. 1500 ரீச் ஆயிருக்கு.
உங்களுக்கு நாங்க என்ன மாதிரி சப்போர்ட் பண்றோம்னா குமரன், 3000 rupees what we give the guarantee. 50 lead 3000 rupees, 50 leads guarantee. அந்த 50 leadsல definitely you can convert it minimum. நான் சொல்ல மினிமம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 10 to 15% you can convert it. 10% வச்சீங்கன்னா கூட, அதாவது உங்களுக்கு வந்து 4 lead கன்வெர்ட் ஆனா கூட உங்க இன்சூரன்ஸ்ல வந்து you will get your money back. இல்லைங்களா?
ஓகே.
that is the advertisement strategy. Okay, so 10 to 15% is a good amount of thing.
மிஸ்டர் முத்து, நீங்க இன்னைக்கு அந்த Facebookல பத்தி கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணீங்க தானே? எனக்கு அதுதான் கொஞ்சம் எனக்கு இந்த போனை வச்சுக்கொண்டு அது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருந்தது. மேபி அது நீங்க ஒருக்கா அத திருப்பி ஒருக்கா
நான் பண்றேன். நான் வந்து அதாவது வந்து உங்களுக்கு வாட் எவர் தட்ஸ் வாட் வி ஆர். நான் இந்த செஷன் எதுக்கு எடுக்கிறேன்னா, இந்த வாட்டி ரொம்ப வெரி லெஸ் பீப்புள். ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வாண்ட் டு டெல் த பீப்புள் who wants to, அதாவது யாரெல்லாம் வந்து ரியலி பிசினஸ் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ண நினைக்கிறாங்களோ அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும்னா ஐ அம் கோயிங் டு டூ திஸ். உங்களுக்கு தெரியுங்களா? பாருங்க, ஃப்ரீ அப்படின்னா there is no value at all. ஓகேங்களா? எந்த ப்ராடக்ட்டுக்கு வந்து ஃப்ரீன்றது வந்து வேல்யூ இருக்காது. ஏன்னா நாலேஜ் இட் இஸ் நோ
ப்ராப்ளம். உங்களுக்கு நான் அது பே பண்ணிடுறேன், அது பிரச்சனையே இல்லை எனக்கு. அது
நான் எதுக்கு சொல்றேன்னா, பீப்புளுடைய ஆட்டிட்யூட் இஸ் லைக் தட் only.
ஆமா எனக்கு தெரியும், விளங்குது.
இப்போ இந்த இது பாக்குறீங்களா? என்னோட ஸ்கிரீன் உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதுங்களா? இந்த ஃப்ரோசன் சிக்கன் சொல்லிட்டு கிரீன் க்ரோன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட். இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலா நம்ம கொழும்பு அந்த அரௌண்ட் அந்த ஏரியாவில் தான் இருக்கு. அவங்க வந்து அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணாங்க. இவங்க பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கிட்டத்தட்ட ஆட் போட்டதுல இருந்து இவங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ரெஸ்டாரண்ட், அங்க இருக்கிற அந்த உணவக விடுதிகள்லாம் இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, அங்க இருந்தெல்லாம் நிறைய ஆர்டர்ஸ் வந்து அவங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு.
ஓகே.
ஆமா, இது பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா உங்க தமிழ் உங்களுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னாலே தெரியும். ஒரே இந்த சிக்கன் இது எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா
தெரியுது, விளங்குது.
ஆமா ஆமா. இது எல்லாமே பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம அந்த
அப்ப
ஏரியா.
இந்த அட் நீங்க ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறீங்களா இல்ல?
ஆமா
ஆமா.
நம்ம தான் ப்ரிப்பேர். ஆமா உங்களுக்கு நீங்க எதுவும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். வி ப்ரிப்பேர் ஃபார் யூ, அவ்வளவுதான். நீங்க எங்க கிட்ட
ஓகே
கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா நாங்களே ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி நாங்களே உங்களுக்கு வந்து சப்ளை பண்ணிடுவோம். அவ்வளவு முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. சிம்பிள்.
ஓகே
சரிங்களா? ஸோ யூ கேன் ஃபாலோ யுவர் லீட்ஸ். அதாவது நீங்க லீட்ஸ் வந்ததுன்னா அவங்கள ஃபாலோ பண்றது மட்டும்தான் உங்களுடைய ஒர்க்.
ஓகே
ஸோ ஏன்னா எங்களுடைய நாங்க இதுல இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில இருந்து எக்ஸ்பர்ட்னால வி நோ தட், அதாவது டெக்னிக்கல் பேராமீட்டர் எது பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணும் எது பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணாது, அந்த கலர் கோடிங் எல்லாமே எங்களுக்கு தெரியும். சரிங்களா? இப்போ அதுதான் மேட்டர். இப்போ வந்து நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் எல்லாம் தெரியும், பட் எல்லாரும் எல்லாம் பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல.
ஆமா ஆமா அது பிரசன்ட் பண்ற இது இருக்கு.
எல்லாரும் பண்ண முடியாது. அதுதான். ஸோ ஏன்னா டைம் ஆகும். அந்த இதுக்காக தான் நான் வாட் வி கிவிங் நான் கிளைண்ட்ஸ்க்கு சஜஸ்ட் பண்றது, நீங்க டைம் கத்துக்கணும், பேஷனா கத்துக்கோங்க, பட் அமௌண்ட் போட்டு கத்துக்காதீங்க. அதான் அமௌண்ட்டை வேஸ்ட் பண்ண வேணாம்னு சொல்லுவேன். சரிங்களா? ஸோ வி நோ தட் இது எப்படி பெர்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணணும் எல்லாமே எங்களுக்கு தெரியும்னால நீங்க அந்த மாதிரி பேக்கேஜ் எடுத்து நீங்க ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுங்கன்றதான் எங்களுடைய சஜஷன். சரிங்களா? இப்ப நாங்க பண்றது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இட் இஸ் வெரி வெரி இந்த கொரோனாக்கு அப்புறம் பேர் மினிமம் காஸ்ட்ல தான் எல்லாருக்கும் சர்வீஸ் கொடுக்குறோம். சரிங்களா? ஏன்னா ஒரு ஹெல்ப் எல்லாருக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும். இப்ப கூட பாருங்க தமிழியன் பீப்புள் அங்க உள்ளவங்க ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு மோட்டோ தான். சரிங்களா? தட்ஸ் தி ரீசன் we just put advertisement. ஓகேங்களா? we have clients. எனக்கு இன்டர்நேஷனல் கிளைண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்காங்க. யூஎஸ், கனடா எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க. அப்படி இருந்தாலும் நம்ம கஷ்டப்படுற மக்களுக்கு இப்ப ஸ்மால் பிசினஸ் ஓனர் அவங்களுக்கு தான் நம்ம இப்ப ஹெல்ப் பண்ண வேண்டிய டைம். சரிங்களா? that's the reason we are doing the service. okay. hello குமரன்.
ஹலோ
யா குமரன். யா குமரன், நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னா நீங்க வந்து வாட்ஸ்அப்ல டச் இருங்க. சரிங்களா? ஸோ நம்ம உங்களுடைய பிசினஸ் வந்து எப்படி நம்ம லீட்ஸ் ஜெனரேட் பண்ணலாம் செய்யலாம்ன்றது வந்து we will discuss about that. ஸோ தென் நம்ம இப்போ பேமெண்ட் நீங்க அனுப்புறதா இருந்தா கூட நான் உங்களுக்கு ஆன்லைன் இன்டர்நேஷனல் பேமெண்ட் லிங்க் எங்கிட்ட இருக்குது. பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த இன்டர்நேஷனல் பேமெண்ட் லிங்க் வர நீங்க வந்து you can pay the amount.
No problem.
So 100% we make the lead, you will feel the success. ஒரு வாட்டி நீங்க அந்த சக்சஸ் ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா then you will run very fast. Your business will go next level. சரிங்களா?
No problem. Thank you.
Sure. Thanks.
Thank you Mr. Muthu. Thank you so much உங்களோட செஷனுக்கு. Yeah. Are you finishing?
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much sir. Okay. Thank you so much.
Prakash garu. Hello.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you
for invite.
Yeah.
And we will discuss.
Yeah. మీరు how it's going? అది మన గోపాల్వి అటెండ్ చేశారు కదా, ఎలా ఉంది?